Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. This is Asia Gardens Hotel and Thai Spa in Finestrat near Benidorm. Check it out. Look at that pool. Clearer view of the pool. Got these water features. I have to say, it's a lovely place. It's just, everywhere you look, there's somewhere nice. There's the balconies. And really, you need a map to find your way around. I think we're coming for the sports area. But I'll just show you the pool area first. Absolutely stunning place. I think it's my favourite Benidorm hotel. Well, I say Benidorm, it's really Finestrat, just outside Benidorm. There's Palapa Bar and Restaurant. Look at the pool area. Closer view of it. There's so many pools. I wish I had the time to explore it. Well folks, that was the walking tour of the pool area. What do you think? It's a lovely place. Absolutely, I've loved staying here. I wish I had the time to go in the pool, but I have to say it's one of the best hotels I've ever stayed at. A different hotel video every week, and I'll include a link in the description and comment section, so let me know. Would you stay here? And check out all my other hotels. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.